हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल कुक आज कहाँ कोई दी थी हमें
Karenji Lake.
मैसूर। सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस। कम ऑन, चलो देखते सामने।
बच्चे का पूछ रहा था मक्खन ले गया।
दीदी दीदी सामने जाएंगे ना रत्ती सामने। सो वी पेड 60 rupees for each, 60 rupees each लिए। And if you are carrying any packet like covered packet biscuits or any chips, we have to pay extra 10 rupees for that. And we shouldn't throw those plastics, and they said they will refund us. So yeah, 10 rupees per plastic, and water bottle also, right? Yeah, same. And even for water bottle we have to pay 10 rupees. If you are carrying the water bottles from home, like like this water bottles, there is no need of paying, right? Yeah, pay करने की जरूरत नहीं है actually. तो चलो अब
एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कारेंजी लेक को।
Yeah, come on.
जाके सामने भाग गए। अम्मा भाग सामने भाग।
मारो, चल
जल्दी वीडियो बना रही दीदी।
दीदी की मासी।
अम्मा हाथी भाग ते गिडक भागा ये जाता चप्पल नहीं है।
Actually it's kind of peace place, na Didi?
This place is for nature lovers and kids to play.
Yeah. And you can have a peace of moment with your family members. Yeah. जाएंगे चल। Yeah, almost couples भरे हुए हैं इधर। क्या दीदी हजार से बोला रहती?
Karenji Lake is also known for couple park.
Yeah, it's all like almost for couples. Yeah, even family members also can enjoy. Family के साथ भी आके enjoy कर सकते हैं। दीदी तुम्हें नहीं चढ़ रहती पो? दीदी चढ़ का है तुम्हें? ओपन नहीं है। हल्लो उधर, हल्लो और चलो जाएंगे सामने। बोटिंग भी करने का बाकी है। ये क्या दिख रहा है तुम यहाँ कारेंजी लेक में? ऑलमोस्ट
अभी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई है, बट आई एम फीलिंग अ पीस, फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन।
नहीं, ऑलमोस्ट ज्यादा कौन ही
कपल्स
एक्चुअली वी आर।
ये देखो, इसका प्री वेडिंग शूट चल रहा है अंदर।
या प्री वेडिंग शूट चल रहा है इधर। नाइस फॉर प्री वेडिंग शूट्स, एक्चुअली फोटो शूट्स। मायरा सामने जाइए, चलो। दीदी जिम वर्क कर रही दुबले होने के लिए। हाँ करो, वही सेट स्विंग करो। हाँ कंबर हेलो।
यूट्यूब में
क्या दीदी क्या बोले सो?
मेरा वीडियो वायरल है।
अच्छी दिख रही है माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छी दिख रही। दीदी यहाँ देखो, तुम्हें भी इनका चला था दुनिया। ये समझो क्या कर रहा है? समझो क्या कर रहा है? दीदी यहाँ देखो, एंजॉय कर रही हैं।
बच्चे को पकड़
यहाँ देखो, यहाँ एक तरफ, यहाँ एक तरफ। इन दो जने एंजॉय कर रही, मैं यहाँ इनके वीडियोस ब्लॉगिंग कर रही खुद। मेरी सिस्टर्स को चलो सामने जाएंगे, एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। अभी बहुत सारे प्लेसेस हैं सामने, बोटिंग है और प्लेइंग एरियाज हैं और बर्ड्स हैं इधर। दीदी बर्ड्स भी है ना, एंड पिकॉक एंड बटरफ्लाई गार्डन भी है जहाँ बहुत सारे बटरफ्लाईज है उधर। सो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर ओवर देयर। हल्लो भागो, समझ यहाँ देख माँ। से मारा। So either there is a play area, yeah, only for kids. There are securities also, like birds. Yeah, हम सबको खेलने के लिए नहीं देते उधर, सिर्फ only kids are allowed over here. So let's go and see there. मायरा
इसमें भी खेल का तो
दी पकड़ लो, नहीं गिर जाएगा। समझ दो दी, समझ को पकड़ लिया, समझ दो, घट पकड़ ले।
ऐसे चला फोन करेंगे।
समझ दो, याद एक बार समझ दो। मायरा ये देख माँ, लड़को सीधे हो जा रही, लड़को सीधे हो जा रही, इधर लड़को सीधे हो जा रही। So come now, let's explore the birds. Okay, so now we are seeing Budgies. Yeah, actually their biological name. No, common name is
Budgies, like nickname.
okay.
It's called Budgies.
Scientific names. Okay, you can see over here.
Melopsitus.
Budgerigar something. Yeah, Budgerigar they're calling. Okay, let's move on to next bird session. Even here they are putting.
They are feeding themselves.
Yeah. Here you can observe. See, they are feeding on themselves. You can see the parrots. See? They are sitting over here. इधर देखो मेरे दो दीदियों को शौक उड़ गया झूलने का। दीदी झूलो, मेरी फ्रेंड दीदी झूलो, तुम इसमें जाओ। दी बच्चा का एक्चुअली वो बच्चा किसे मेरे दो बड़े बच्चे खेल रहे देखो, दो बड़े बच्चे खेल रहे। Yeah, here are only birds. Few are not that visible, but still they are resting. I hope you can see this. So now you can see over here silver present. Here it is present. Yeah, even here also they are feeding on themselves. Yeah, here we end the bird sessions. From there we started and it got ended over here. Actually they are quite similar between each other. तकलू जा रहा है. So now we are going for boating. And here maybe they are having online payment. Yeah, here also the online payments are available. There are family boating and couple boating. Actually, we are going for family boating. म्हणजे वो नको दीदी, अच्छा है जो पसीने की बस नहीं से मेरे भी दीदी बड़ा होना रहेगा.
बच्चों को नहीं बस
फैमिली बोटिंग को कौन भी पेन को नहीं है शायद.
छोड़ समुद्र इस रंदे गिरता नहीं
वो लेनी.
उधर रहेगा.
So now we are going for boating. He is going to be our guide.
मैं भी पकड़ लेती हूँ वो बॉटल.
Zari di अंदर. Myra. मेरी फ्रेंड दीदी. समझो देख भैया. रेड वन. याद ही रेड. नहीं जाती हूँ.
बनी जाओ.
Oh God. कहाँ से पड़ गई मैं तो.
जामा.
Just now we started our ride. So it costed around 400 for family boating with a driver. We are just trying to enjoy. As you can see, the look from here. It's so sunny over here.
पानी में चला
ये देख माँ.
कपल बोट में गए.
See how beautiful the view is. Actually, for single couple drive or single drive for single person it's 60, but if you are riding a family boat, it costs 400 for a boat with a driver, and you can have a fun with almost everyone in a single boat, not in a different one. Actually, family boat riding is best. because if you are driving the couple boat, you have to just ride it over, under the surrounding itself. But if you are having a family boat, we can travel till here. As you can see, we are from, I think that's the border, as you can see over there, and we have come so far till here. Actually, just now Zoe tried to boat ride करने की try, like she tried, and it was so fearful for us, for me and for Mayfree Didi. You can see the Mayfree Didi's reaction. Wait, I'll show you in a few minutes. कैसा था दीदी Zoe दीदी चलाने में? डर को नहीं, मजा नहीं आया, मजा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आया. It's so sunny. Oh, how beautiful. See these fans. So behind you can see these fans. Actually, it's very sunny over here. See? Mm. Okay, for couples and all, we have to ride in the borders itself, as I said. If you're taking family boat, then we can see the swans over here, the mother monkey and the baby monkey. You can see it's completely worth of 400 rupees. Inadi, it's completely worth, right, for riding 400. Over here. See, and we are inside the surrounding of couple boat riding. We are over here, and now we are about to land. Now we have finished boat riding, which was horrific.
It was amazing.
No, it was horrific.
I was the one who was riding.
It was really horrific.
Kids
when
loved
she
my
switched
riding.
with the driver, right, it was horrific. Now we are going to Bird Safari, and here you can see the peacocks and the other birds with butterflies.
No, it's not butterfly garden. It's only bird garden.
Okay. So right now we are going to. Just right now we are entering Bird Safari. Okay. As you can see the beautiful peacock over here as we enter, and here opposite to that white peacock.
White peacock. That's my bird.
खुद वहां से खड़ी है नजदीक. चलो 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 चलो. The peacocks are actually resting. Maybe it's their resting time. I think we are going to get wet over here because of this sprinkler.
Black swan.
Myra, जानो को मैं पानी पानी पानी. Ready 1 2 3 start. चल भागेंगे. Yeah. Now let's watch the black swans over here. Okay.
समझ आओ आओ कर रहा सो. मायरा उतर.
Myra, come. Myra. Mini fountains. Rock fountains actually. And here we can also find squirrels. But they're running off actually. They're not that visible. I hope so it's visible over here as you can see. See? They're just trying to run off. We're hearing our footsteps. And as you can see near the peacock there are 2 squirrels. See how beautiful the peacock is. National bird. Call it national bird?
Because it's beautiful.
And
Like our India.
yeah, then you can observe this squirrel. See the feathers, peacock feathers.
बैक के ऊपर बैठो. बैठ ला बैठ ला देख तो बैठ का.
These giving a buggy ride. Kadi.
ऊपर का भी गाड़ी है.
Yeah. These giving buggy ride to Samad. As you can see, the black swan. It is taking sun bath.
So this is the end of our journey.
Okay, let's come on exit from here. We're seeing a beautiful white peacock.
आवाज को स्पीकर का आवाज को भल्ला का फर्क.
See the white peacock and this tiny squirrel. See how beautiful it is. Now we are exiting.
Oh, मेरे हाथ में बच्चा गिर गया तुम्हें कभी. हाँ मैं यूँ मार रहा हूँ. मैं भी तेरा बच्चा ये.
जाओ. Now we are going to enter the orchidarium. Didi, phool na todna nahi. how beautiful it is. Yeah, it's so chill. Humid temperature over here. There are different types of plants. Exotic plants. Even exotic and common. Now let's explore other places also.
मजा आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है, हाँ? अभी करना।
Maybe here there is something, or maybe it's empty. Yeah, it's an empty cage. Before they used to keep here some type of exotic bird, but right now it's empty. I think they have transferred this bird to the zoo. It's really fun to visit this place. Actually it's worth it, but we have to walk a lot. We have to walk a lot, and there is a lot of adventurous like in boat riding. So here, as you can see, Didi and Mayfin Didi is with her children. Right now we are going to watch bird watchtower. Actually, yeah. Right now we are going for the place bird watchtower. Can we?
We need proper equipments like binocular or something.
Yeah, to watch the birds, right? Yeah, now we are going to watch the bird watchtower.
Bird watchtower, but if you want to enjoy the view, you have to have proper equipments like binocular and all those things.
Yeah.
Or else you won't be able to watch birds properly. You can enjoy the scenery, but if you want to watch the birds, then you have to bring proper equipments.
Yeah. Because we can't observe those birds through our naked eyes.
Yeah.
We have to observe those with the help of the binoculars. Yeah. Even you can carry drinkable waters, but here there are filters, purified filters, water filter, and they are having 2 glasses. Like this you can. Yeah, we have to go from here for the bamboo park and the floating garden also, right?
Garden is straight. Bamboo park is
नको bamboo garden. यहाँ से देख लेंगे व्यू हमारे viewers and subscribers and subscriber fam. Yeah, please do subscribe our channel. And we are already near to 3K.
MashaAllah. मैं इससे पहले आज वॉकिंग पे नहीं जाती है, पूरा हो जाता था. We are heading to Butterfly Garden. It's still 1 kilometer far.
Yeah, still we have to walk 1 more kilometer to reach the Butterfly Park. And Didi, कौन area में enter करें सो?
We have entered the restricted area of the Karanji Park, where you can only see couples and couples.
Yeah, in between the bushes, behind the trees. Yeah, we can see the couples over here, Nadvi.
Yes. We have seen many right now.
Yeah, but we can't share them with you because maybe they also having some privacy, right? Nadvi, उनकी भी privacy life रहती है. We can't just disturb them.
Please behave decently. Be responsible visitor, Alpin.
Yeah. She's just seeing the board and applying. lying on me?
Because I said no, this area is the restricted area, so government has officially announced that please behave decently. Be a responsible.
So I'm not behaving
visitor.
decently.
I'm not talking about you.
So in front of us, there is someone you can see from behind. We will be just vlogging, right?
Huh.
Yeah, still 1 more kilometer. We have to fake it. Yeah, still 1 more kilometer we have to walk
Yeah.
for the butterfly garden.
So tiring.
Yeah, it's still 1 more kilometer to go.
We have walked at least 2 kilometers till now.
No, not 2 kilometers.
See now, the couple who were behind us, they got scolding.
From the security.
Yeah.
So we call this as restricted area because only we will find the couples over here who are having fun. With 60 rupees. No. Yeah, with 60 rupees of ticket. Just 60 rupees.
So long में डालते हैं.
Didi, maybe
Now we are moving to
butterfly garden.
okay now. वो blue वाली देखे.
Yeah, see the butterfly balloon. I hope so you all can observe this. Yeah.
एक बाहर निकल गए शायद इसके अंदर.
बट हमें उधर भी गए थे कि उधर तक वॉक करने का के
आगे जा सकते हैं.
उधर से यकीन आगे जा सकती. उधर क्या है?
कुछ नहीं है.
ओ वैसे का मालूम. Yeah, they got to know. Are there any crocodiles? Very visible here crocodiles?
No.
Tumna. Just now we have entered the butterfly park. Didi.
Oh no, funny.
Actually, they have turned on the sprinklers.
So we may not be able to go and sit there.
Yeah. We can't just enjoy the beautiful chair. Butterfly chair. Maybe?
Yeah. So this is the bamboo garden. That's the butterfly garden.
Yeah, in butterfly garden.
Matchmakers.
Are there any visible matchmaker butterflies?
अमो अब डोरा बन जाओ. आपको यहाँ पे मैचमेकर्स दिख रहे हैं?
Yeah, it's nice.
I love the view.
जीजू के साथ आए थे तुम इधर?
नहीं.
नहीं? दीदी तो स्प्रिंकलर्स है. दिख जाती.
थोड़ा जल्दी फास्ट चले गए.
तुम्हें भागो, तुम्हारे पीछे मैं आती हूँ. तुम्हें भागो. नहीं आ रहा? See, now I have to run. I have crossed this huge sprinkler.
Obstacle.
Yeah, obstacle. See how cute fountain. Maybe stone fountain, no? Till now we haven't found a single butterfly over here. In the butterfly.
We had
Yeah,
outside.
in entrance we had found, right? One.
Yeah, blue color. I think it's not butterfly season because it's summer.
Yeah.
Butterflies will be at spring season, so we may be able to see at spring season.
Yeah, just we found a single butterfly in the entrance, right? Just we
Yeah.
entered the butterfly
Blue
garden.
color.
Yeah, the blue and black color.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so beautiful. As you can see in the video also, I have captured few moments of that. Just few. Nadi?
Yeah.
Because it tried to escape from video capturing. Maybe the butterfly was camera shy.
Like you?
No, I'm not the camera shy person. तो हम लाइक मैं भी जोया दीदी मैं फिर दीदी को चिल्ड्रंस जो प्ले एरिया था ना उधर ही छोड़ के आ गए बिकॉज शी कांट वॉक दैट मच शी इज लिटिल बिट लेजी टाइप So me and Didi have come so far just to see the butterfly garden.
Butterfly garden.
But just we found a single butterfly, not
माहिरा के पास.
even that matchmaker butterfly.
उसके हाथ में भी था सोने दीनी मंजिल लग भागी सोने. Butterfly garden. अब भी कहता 1.5 kilometer अंदर चल रहे हैं.
I hope you all are enjoying this video of Karinji Kare Lake, which is located in Mysore, as Didi said earlier. I think we are about to exit this butterfly garden. And that was the place. As you can see, they are riding the boat. Yeah, from there we have also done the boat riding,
Butterfly garden.
which was completely worth.
ये last one.
And you can find, I hope that's a crocodile.
No, it's a stick.
I hope. Maybe or may not be, I don't know. I'm just confused. And here you can see the lotus. Lotus. I just didn't confirm. I didn't confirm that it was a crocodile. I just thought that maybe it's a crocodile because they had mentioned over there, right, while entering just the butterfly garden bridge. They had said be aware of snakes and be aware of crocodiles.
Oh, it's an exit.
Yeah,
We are going back.
we are going back.
Done with the butterfly garden.
But we just found a single butterfly.
But it's vanished right now.
Yeah. One more butterfly. Here it is. Yeah, we had found the butterfly while entering, and while exiting we have found one more.
Okay, there is one more. White.
Yeah, here it is again. Yeah, in the exit area there are a lot of butterflies actually.
Done in butterfly garden.
Yeah, than in butterfly garden. While exiting we can find the butterflies.
I'm see that.
I think maybe it's not visible. Yeah, Didi, visible नहीं है.
Oh, no, इस जगह नहीं रुक रहे ना. See.
Did you see that?
Color.
See? Here itself. Didi, हाँ देखो.
Three butterflies together.
Where?
See there. There are a bunch of butterflies.
See, we had complained, right? There are no butterflies in butterfly garden. So they are denying our answers.
It's here.
It's
running.
see, it just surrounded us. Yeah. Okay, bye bye butterfly garden. We are moving. See, they have written beware of crocodiles. So I just thought there may be few crocodiles. Didi is saying.
Ammu just thought
Yeah, I just
it was
thought.
crocodile, but it was a stick.
I wish I could have seen the crocodile.
I wish I could have feed the crocodile.
She is such a creepy sister. Extremely creepy. Oh God. So right now we are going for Watchtower. Oh God, we have to climb so high. And there you can see the couples over there. Okay, let's climb. Okay, you hate me just for this thing. You're hating me, right?
Yeah, I really hate it.
It's fine, Didi. Come, let's climb. For the viewers, we have to sacrifice.
My legs are killing me.
I don't know how to hold my phone. Come. Didi, climb. Didi, where are you?
I'm not present.
It's really tiring. But it's worth it.
No, it's not worth.
It's worth.
No.
According to me, it's worth.
No.
Even we having their own perspective, we can't change their perspectives.
Because if you can't watch birds, then what's the use of bird watch cover?
दीदी come, let's get down the watchtower. We couldn't find any birds. As Didi said, we have to bring binoculars to watch, to observe the birds.
It's not season for the birds to come here.
Yeah. But you can get a nice view, to watch a nice view through our naked eyes. It's really tiring.
We had really nice view from down.
Yeah. So right now, again we are going for the entrance because मेरी फ्रेंड दीदी वेट कर लेगी उधर बच्चों के लिए को खेल लिया बच प्ले एरिया जो दिखाए थे ना उधर ना दीदी मेरी फ्रेंड दीदी वेट कर रही है बच्चों के लिए को या बिकॉज शी वाज सो टायर्ड उनको चलने नहीं हो लगता इधर तक सो उन्हें वापस चले गए प्ले एरिया तक हमें बटरफ्लाई गार्डन उधर तक हाँ बर्ड्स वॉच टावर
हम लोग ये कवर करें
या वी एक्सप्लोर for you. Yeah, we explored and covered for you guys. We are so damn tired. Even my Didi's legs are. Yeah, killing. We just give them the glasses. Actually, we found a glass which they have kept it on the ground, right upon the ground. Yeah, maybe someone have left it. So we just tried took that and we have
thought of returning it to the main office.
Yeah, in the
where
entrance.
they can have lost and found office.
Yeah, maybe some maybe it's worth for someone, right, Nadi? Maybe they have forgotten while taking pictures, or while they were busy in something. Maybe while they were busy in something. Who knows? Oh God, there is a drinking water which I had shown before. Yeah, filter water. Even I want to drink, Didi. Didi, even I want to drink. Drinking the water, fresh filter drinking water. And now we are heading to the
Entrance.
not entrance, towards the Mayfriend Didi's direction.
Play area.
Yeah, play area, kids play area, so that we can find her.
उसमें दोनों बेटी ना उन्हें हाथ छोड़ी को इन्हें भी हाथ में बंद कर पड़ा मट्टी के ऊपर इन्हें देखी इसका भी ब्लॉक काट रही है मैं गिरीश काटती तो क्या करती थी वो भी दादा देती रहेगा अच्छा हुआ तू लेती सो उससे गुस्सा का सुन के उनको दोनों को जाओगे
Just now, my sister just fell down while she was taking care of her 2 children. That's what she was telling right now. Zoe, what happened to Mayfriend just now?
चल के गिरीश का भी बोलना मैं तुझे
She just fell down in front of so many people. Yeah, it was just too embarrassing. See your face as
बिस्किट खाते हैं हाँ चल बिस्किट में चल
Didi, what you are talking? They are speaking something sneaky.
इनको ढाला था बोल रही है ये टाइटा दिल में सोची अम्मा जी के सबका सबने गिरी सोच बड़ा उसमें ये टाइटा कि तू करा था कुछ ना
She is just explaining how she fell down and how the crowd reacted on her while she just fell down.
ये अम्मा तेरी बच्ची
हमें ये मिट्टी में खेले बोटिंग यहाँ मगरमच्छ है बच्चे बुला लगा को छाटे जाते हैं
Because दीदी छाटेंगे हमारे दीदी छाटेंगे उससे हमें बोल रही
कैसा था बोल करंज लेकर
कैसा था खेले अच्छा था मैदा
हमें खेलने में अच्छा था
एक्चुअली शी इज a little bit sad.
मासी को नहीं करो
बोल लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, कमेंट करो कना।
सो गाइस होगा हमारा एक्सप्लोर कर कारिंची लेक मैसूर में। सो हमें घर को जाएंगे एग्जॉस्टेड, कंप्लीटली टायर्ड।
कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस?
अच्छा था, मजा आया मेरा, मजा
आया भी आया, माँ को छाटे भी गई माँ मेरी। बोलो
लाइक करो बोलो।
सो प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर